How to find trending sounds for your Instagram reel. Hey guys, let's just head on and open up our Instagram app, and you can find this plus icon either in your profile page or your home page, but I'm just gonna click on it through my profile page. So click on the plus icon and click on reel for us to create one, and then I'm just gonna click on this audio right here. So click on the audio option at the side, and then immediately you should be able to see all these featured music right here. So these are usually trending music as well and are on the trend right now on Instagram Reels. Or you can also see the music under the For You section. Click on See More right here. And usually these are popular music as well, so you can choose from all this list. So again, my recommendation would be using music from the featured or For You section. Now the next step would be to go back, and then let's head on to the Reel section right here by clicking on this icon at the bottom mid. And then you can scroll all through the reels right here and see if there are any trending videos. As you can see there, this reel has many likes right here, so it's pretty much viral. And you can then click on this audio right here, or click on the use audio option right here that pops up right above their username, and then you can take a video using that audio. And so you can scroll through again and find other trending videos, and you can use what audio they use for their reel. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.